Hello and welcome to Future Cookie. Imagine waking up one morning and seeing your child's face clearly for the first time in years. What would that moment feel like? What would shift inside you if the darkness simply lifted? Today we are talking about something that just made that real. Not in a lab, not in an animal. In actual human beings who were going blind. Scientists used CRISPR gene editing inside the human eye. They restored vision in patients with an inherited blindness condition. The condition is called Leber congenital amaurosis. This is not a treatment you take every day. This is not a drug you depend on for life. The edit happens once. It happens inside your cells, and it stays there permanently. Think about what that means. Medicine has spent decades managing disease. Now we are correcting it at the source. Here is how it works. Deep inside your eye are photoreceptor cells. Those cells convert light into signals your brain reads as vision. In patients with this condition, a mutation in a gene called CEP290 disrupts that entire process. The lights are on, but the signal never arrives. CRISPR acts like a molecular pair of scissors. Researchers engineered a delivery system. They used a harmless virus to carry those scissors into the retinal cells. Once inside, the tool finds the exact location of the broken genetic code. It snips it out, then the cell begins functioning the way it was always meant to. In the first human trial conducted by Editas Medicine and Allergan, patients with almost no functional vision began detecting light. Some could navigate obstacles, some could read large print. One participant described it as a dimmer switch being slowly turned up on the world. The results were published. The science was peer-reviewed. The science held. This is the first time CRISPR has been delivered directly inside a living human body. It edited genes in a non-dividing cell. Previous gene therapy either replaced the gene entirely or worked outside the body. This approach edits the genome in place. If these stories are sparking something in you, I would love to have you subscribe. Every week we go deeper into the technology that is quietly reshaping what it means to be human. Hit subscribe and I will see you on the inside. Why does this matter beyond one rare eye disease? Because the eye is a proving ground. It is contained, it is accessible, and the immune response is lower than in other organs. Every success here builds the map for editing cells elsewhere. Researchers are already exploring CRISPR for sickle cell disease. They are exploring certain cancers and inherited neurological conditions. We should be honest about where we are. This is early stage. Patient numbers are small. Long-term follow-up is still ongoing. We do not yet know how durable these edits are across decades of a human life. And like any powerful tool, precision and safety standards must continue to evolve. The science must lead. But here is what we do know. Permanent genetic editing inside a living human body restored a sense that was disappearing. That is not speculation, that is a documented result. So what is the signal in all of this? We are entering an era where inherited disease is no longer a life sentence. The conversation is shifting from management to correction. And the speed of that shift is accelerating. It will affect every one of us, whether we are patients, caregivers, or simply people who love someone whose health hangs in the balance. The technology that gave one person back their sight today is the same technology that will define medicine for the next generation. You are watching it happen in real time. Today you learned that permanently editing the human genome to restore lost sight is no longer a future promise, it is a present reality. If this opened a question in your mind or lit something up for you, I want to hear it. Drop a comment below with a topic or a question you want us to explore next. What emerging technology are you most curious or most uncertain about? Let us start that conversation right here. Thank you for joining us today. This is Future Cookie.